How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Great. So, kids, yesterday I told you about pronouns. Yes, we had studied about pronouns. So, today we will do one exercise related to pronouns. First of all, take out your English grammar book, the maturing seat. Okay, take out this book and open page number 24. Chapter 4 and page number 24. Pronouns. Okay. Yesterday I told you what is pronoun. Yes, pronoun is a word which comes in place of nouns or naming words. Nouns or naming words are same. Yes. So pronouns are those words that comes in the place of naming words or nouns. For example, I, you, he, she, it. So these words are called pronouns. Okay. These words are called pronouns. We can use pronouns in the following manner. I told you yesterday also. Yesterday's class and in video also I already explained that how can we use these words. What is the rule to use these pronouns? I, you, he, she, it. Yes. So we will revise again. As I and you stands for a boy, girl, man or a woman. Okay. And he for a boy or man. She for girl or woman. And it for non-living things, animals, birds, when they don't have a special name. For example, yes, it is a giraffe, it is a school, it is a house, it is a pencil. Yes, and in case of I and you, I told you, I, when we use I, when we are talking something about himself or herself, when you are giving your introduction, when you are introducing yourself in front of everyone, in front of someone, so you can use I. I am a boy, I am a girl, I am 6 years old, I am 7 years old, I live in Modi Nagar, I live in Muradnagar. Yes. So these are pronouns. Okay. It's fine. Just do one thing. Just open your English copy. Open your English notebook, everyone. Yes, do fast. Open your English notebook and mention the date 14 July 2021. And day is Wednesday. 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 CA. Class assignment. As this is your classwork. So kids, as this is the topic of your English grammar book, so we are just mentioning here grammar work. Start writing GRAMMAR grammar work. WORK work. This is chapter 4 and name of this chapter is, name of this topic is pronouns. PRONOUNS, pronouns. Okay. Complete this. Mention the date, day, CA, grammar work, chapter 4, pronouns. Okay. Now our question is what? Choose the correct pronoun. Here we are just write 5 sentences along with some pictures. Okay. So you have to choose the correct pronoun for these pictures. Fine. So shall we start? Great. dash is a girl. So I'm just giving you two options. He, she. Now tell me. First of all, look at this picture. Who is this? A girl? Yes. So, first of all, fill in the blanks. Dash is a girl. So, you have to write down here either he or she. So, tell me, after just look at this picture. Yes, it's a girl. So, for girl, what we can use? He or she? Great. She. Because it's a girl, and for girl or woman we can use she. Okay, she is a girl. Okay, now come to next, number 2. Dash is a boy. Dash is a boy. Complete this. Dash is a boy. Yes. You or he? Tell me. Now again look at this picture. As it's a boy. Yes, boy. For boy or men, what we can use? You or he? Great, he. So we just write here he. He is a boy. Yes, I'm just reminding again, for girl or woman, we can use she. It's a pronoun. And for boy or men, we can use he. It's also a pronoun. Okay. Complete this beta. Now come to next, pencil. Pencil. First of all, tell me, pencil is what? Yes, pencil is a thing. Yes, pencil एक thing है बेटा. So for things, what we can use? Yes, it. It is a pencil. Complete this. Do fast. Now, it's a house. So again, it's a house. So it's something like a place. For name of a place, thing, animal, what we can use? It. Yes. So here again we can use it. It is a house. Okay. It's a cat. For animals, yes, it. It is a cat. So revise again. As the question was choose the correct pronoun. So first is dash is a girl. So for girl we can use she, as she is a girl. He is a boy. Yes, it. It is a pencil. It is a house. It is a cat. Okay? Complete this work in your English notebook. Okay, kids? And in our next class, we will do some more exercise related to pronoun. Till then, bye-bye everyone.